Hello and welcome to Success Stories. Success Stories is that show where we talk to different students of executive or CSEET of Excel Academy who has passed the exam and they are in their journey to become a company secretary. These stories will inspire you to also become a company secretary and enter this beautiful profession of CS. And joining me today is a guest, Roshni Rao from Hyderabad. Hello, Roshni. Welcome to Success Stories.
Hello, sir.
So, Roshni, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నాను, sir.
Very good. So, Roshni is our student who passed the CSEET program, and she was one of the best performing students, even in our daily quizzes and every other thing which we used to have in CSET. It was very exciting journey. So, we thought she can share her story on how she cleared CSET, how is her experience right now in executive, and what tips and tricks she can share with you. So, the first thing, Roshni, is how did you get to know there is a course called CS and what made you take this course?
During my 10th standard, I used to not like science subject more, sir, so I opted for commerce. Later, then I thought to do professional course. Then I've started searching for it, and I found CS. Because it has many opportunities and very few members are there in this field, so it would be more opportunities for me. So I opted CS course, sir.
Very good. So what I liked you told is there are very few members. So what Roshni told is true. In entire India, on paper, there are about 65,000 company secretaries, but in reality, it is less than 35,000 company secretaries. So 35,000 company secretaries for more than 15 lakh companies and for a country of 140 crore people is very less. And Roshni has chosen this at the right time. Now you're in your first year degree. So what made you take up law? If I'm not wrong, you're doing BBA LLB. So what made you take up law?
Actually, I thought that CS would require LLB too, so I choose LLB, sir. For BBA because my business and management I would learn from that subject, and which would be helpful for me when I become a CS professional.
Very good. So first you chose company secretary and to supplement it, you chose the LLB, which is a
BBA
5-year
LLB.
program.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. So now you took the CS course and you rightly assessed the future potential and the scope for the career of CS. Now that you took CS course, how did you start your preparation and who was the first person who helped you? Could be anyone in your friends or family.
First, I decided to write my CS exams. Then I served regarding that, and I found that there would be 3 levels. First, that CSEET level, I applied for it through ICSI. Later, I was searching for coaching, and my father suggested me Excel Academy. He saw on YouTube. I got to know from Excel Academy all the details regarding CSED, its subjects, and I got the mentoring and the coaching from Excel Academy, and it made me possible to pass the CS.
Okay, very good. So now that you're doing LLB and CS together, are they complementing and can you tell about the subjects which are similar, different, and the kind of depth which is there in BA, BBA, LLB and CS in your experience so far?
Now I'm doing my CS executive and BBLLB first year. I got both the course have the same subjects most probably. Few subjects are JIGL and company law, because I in my college I'm getting to know only the introductory part of the course, but in CS I'm getting in-depth knowledge regarding the subject, but both I'm getting the same knowledge, so I'm not uh, getting difficulty by doing both the subjects. From both I'm getting the knowledge of the same subject itself.
Definitely, because just to inform you, I have done BA, LLB, and CS, and even I found a very similar journey. So I can understand what you're saying, and it is good. And the best part is you're in your first year degree, so you'll be 18 or 19 years age at the maximum, already
17.
in executive program.
I'm 17 years, sir.
Oh God, okay, this is really amazing. Wonderful. So 17 years is even more wonderful. So at the age of 17, you're already in executive program. This is excellent. So even if you take next 2, 3 years before your 20th or 21st birthday maximum, you'll be a company secretary, which is the perfect and a great way to start your career. So I'm sure this itself will inspire many more people who are in class 11, class 12 to take inspiration from you to take this up. So talking about that, Roshni, tell us a little bit about the CSCET subject. See, you came to CSCET, okay, you chose coaching, all that is fine. But end of the day, it is also a very personal journey. You have to see, read the book, and you have to go forward. So what was your reaction when you saw these subjects?
After receiving the study materials, there were 4 subjects in CSET. The first one is business communication. Everyone have that common in school age or in college. And legal aptitude. I found this subject very new because I was in my +2 when I started CS. That time I have no idea about law and anything. I've got through Excel Academy itself regarding legal aptitude. I found it difficult in the starting stages because the subjects were Constitution of India. The starting itself, it was a bit hard for me. Later on, I cope up with my weekly tests and everything. I started preparing on for the test basis because at the end it is an MCQ based test. I have to prepare in detail for my exam. And the other two and logical reasoning, it was my favorite subject because I used to like maths a lot. It was very interesting to learn logical reasoning. It was not difficult and not so easy. It was a moderate subject for me. Economics, as I'm a commerce student, I have economics in my +2. So similar topics I faced in my +2 and here itself. So it was okay for me. And current affairs, I used to keep me updated with every current affair through Excel Academy in YouTube. In YouTube of Excel Academy, there would be every week up roundly session. I used to follow that and make my notes regarding that. That helped me a lot at the end in CS.
Okay, wonderful. So this is the subjects and all of that, fine. So now, can you tell a little bit about the actual coaching experience? Because it was little different from how it is done elsewhere. So what are the things which you had and what did you find most useful?
I found most useful is the mentoring session every weekend because I'm frankly speaking, I'm very addicted to phone. In the weekend session, sir used to say, once check your screen time and later you read on that basis. That was very helpful in the weekend. And in subjects, the weekly Kahoot test, which is like a game where you can score more to, I mean, it is very relieving that you can learn the concept as well as it will be a game where you will be interested to do more and more. That made me more interesting to continue my journey towards CSCET.
Yeah, and just for information, Roshni used to always be the first one to take the test, and almost in 90-95% tests, she used to be the topper also in every test. And that was very exciting even for us that somebody is so interested to take up these tests. So tell us a little bit about what did you do? Did you take any mock exam and did that help you? Can you tell a little bit about that?
I didn't take any mock exams, sir. I took that weekly Kahoot test, and at the end, I took one mock test before CSET examination. That was enough for me.
Okay, very good. So can you tell a little bit in terms of how do you feel students should prepare for a MCQ exam? Because entire CSET is MCQ. Based on your experience, what would you suggest?
For MCQ based questions, we have to read in details because we don't know from where the question would they will ask. In my CSET exam, I found economics paper a bit hard for me because I read, but the question was in detail, so that I have to think more on that. I lost so much time on my economics paper in the exam. I thought even more economics I would have focused more. It would be nice for me, but reading English and English and current affairs, logical reasoning, it was okay, sir. Legal aptitude and economics, in MCQ based test, we have to be in more detail and we need to know every term basically. The terms are very important. Even when we read our own, make our own notes, the terminology and everything was important in the MCQ based test.
Great. So next question I want to ask about time. See, nowadays what I'm realizing is students are more busy than us. So when I talk to students, they have college, have some other commitment, or somebody's learning dance, music, and different things. So for you, what was your general schedule from the time you get up till sleep? What was your general schedule?
During CSET preparation, morning I used to have my college classes, and the evening I used to have my CSET classes. That timing was good, so I did not collide my both the courses. At the evening, I used to prepare for my CSET. 4 to 5 hours was enough for CSET. I used to prepare for 4 to 5 hours, and in the weekend, I used to brush up all the things I learned throughout the week. That was enough for me. I used to make my own notes so that it would be easy for me.
Okay, very good. Excellent. So now you told about time and how you managed it. So next thing I want to ask you is like the support which you got, like parents and family play a very big role. So can you just tell how was their cooperation in this journey?
The main reason I have chosen CS is because of my father. He suggested me to do this. My main motivation and my support system is my father. He daily motivates me, and all the regular updates from ICSI and all, he only updates me on daily basis. So he
Very
is the
good.
main support system for me.
Excellent, excellent. That's very nice to know that your father is so involved in your journey of becoming a company secretary. Now, can you tell us a little bit about the teachers? Like in the CSET, how are the teachers, or for each subject, how did that particular teacher add value to you? You can just share it.
First, business communication, Madhuri ma'am, I really liked her sessions daily. Ma'am used to be very free, and she used to listen every bit of whatever question we ask, and she used to respond in a cool manner. My favorite was Madhuri ma'am because I used to have more Madhuri ma'am classes, because presentation and communication skills and business communication, both I have Madhuri ma'am classes. She used to be very nice, and she used to make us answer the questions and make us read the passages and everything. Logical reasoning, we have Vishwa sir. Sir used to make us do the problem, solve the logical reasoning questions. It was very interactive session with Vishwa sir, and Alok sir for legal aptitude, and Swati ma'am also was there for legal aptitude. The starting first session I had with Alok sir with legal aptitude, I was very tensed by seeing the book itself for legal aptitude. Later, I have listened to Alok sir's live class, and I got that confidence that I would be able to do this. At starting, we had very small sessions that was very easy because we learned in a small basis, so that helped a lot through Alok sir's sessions and economics.
Yeah, Ramcharan.
Sir, and current affairs and economics sir dealt. Economics, as I know, but sir used to be asking questions regarding the daily daily updates we used to have in our class. That was very helpful throughout the journey. That made me that made me to research more about the word or terms. I mean, I used to do it on my own. Then depending on books or anything, that helped me a lot through sir's session.
Okay, great. So now what do you feel, or why do you feel Excel helped you in this passing of CACET?
At starting, I have zero knowledge regarding the course. With Excel Academy, I had that confidence that I would be able to pursue my course through weekly mentor sessions and through tests. Everything that made me believe what I can do through. Excel Academy is the main reason. Still, I'm able to do. So with no difficulty in my journey.
Very good. So now tell us a little bit about, many students still don't take company secretary course. They just want to take some BCom, or they're not very confident. And you are 17 and you have passed CACET and you're doing very well already in CS executive. So can you please tell message to everybody else who's in class 10, 11 or 12 on why you think company secretary is good for them?
First point is less supply, sir, and more demand for company secretaries. I mean, we would get more opportunities through CS than any other course, because there are less people. First thing is there are less CS in India, and the second reason is it is a professional course, and we would be able to deal with many corporate companies and everything. Even being an engineering student or other student, we wouldn't directly get access to the main team of the corporate company, but through CS we would get the main member. We would be the main member in the company. Through respect wise, through money, in matter of money and time of the course also, it is very helpful for us, and it would be easy to complete the course. Even if we are a commerce student, it would be very easy throughout the course, because basics we know. Throughout the journey, we need to be more sure of the law subjects and everything. It would, if we take a mentoring session and course, we take a course like this, our life would be colorful.
Wonderful. I think ICSI should make you in charge for career awareness. You told so well in a short time. You told all the points. It's really amazing. And I'm still amazed that you're still 17 and with so much confidence you're speaking. You have clarity of thought. And I'm very sure we'll be meeting you after CS executive also. Anyway, you're already part of our batch in executive. It will be quite exciting as we go ahead. Is there anything in the end you'd like to share? Anything at all? It could be for the students, or you want to thank anyone, or the floor is open to you.
First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for weekly motivating me. I mean, we would at some point of time in CSAET, I used to lose myself, because I both the college and CSET, I wouldn't be able to manage myself, because that helped me a lot to manage me. There should be someone to push us from, so we would be able to do at the end of the day. that was you and my father who supported me daily, and Excel Academy staff and my fellow students. I made many friends through Excel Academy. That is a very good thing. They helped me a lot. We used to talk regarding the subject. At least there was one person with same ideology of the subject. That was very helpful for me. I made many friends through Excel Academy.
Yeah, so that is the biggest advantage I feel. Of course, the coaching, mentorship, all that we will give. But the biggest perk I feel is you get friends across India, and this network which you build will be there with you throughout your career, not just during the student days. So that was Roshni Rao, who is just 17, already in CS executive, and on the journey to become a company secretary very soon. She shared her journey from the first day she got to know how her father was her main support system and how he was the one who actually told her to take CS and also suggested about Excel Academy and how she studied that. She's definitely crediting teachers, father, but we know how hard she studied because in every quiz, I remember this Kahoot quiz and that game which we used to have, she was the first one always to take the test, and invariably she used to always come highest. That is because of the passion and hard work. So yes, it is parents, teachers, but my message to everyone watching this is it is people like Roshni and their hard work is what is the real reason for success. And I hope whoever watched this has learned something, and you too can become a company secretary very soon. That was Roshni Rao. Thanks a lot for joining us, Roshni. And we'll be meeting you soon again in another success story after executive program.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And for more such success stories, subscribe to Excel Academy and get inspired to be a company secretary very soon.